So this is how you can make your Pinterest account public on Android. So you want to open up your Pinterest app on your device, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right to go to the saved section, and then tap on your profile again. This will allow you to move over into the settings, and there is literally the second thing there called profile visibility. And you want to ensure that you don't have the private profile enabled, because if you do, then of course your profile is not going to be public. So disable the private profile to make your profile public, right? There is also the search privacy. So you can hide your profiles and boards from search engines like Google. So you can do that if you wish. But apparently, if you want to make your account public, you don't want to keep this turned on. Besides that, when you move over to your boards, you also have the settings for a specific board, right? Where you go to these settings and you can also just choose to keep this board secret, right? So this will not allow any other people to view it or to look it up. So in this situation, you also want to disable the secret option and ensure that everything is public and stays as it was. So that's it for me. That's basically how it kind of works. There isn't really much to it. Thanks a lot for watching and your support. Check out the rest of the channel for some more Pinterest videos on various different topics. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.